How's my Couch Commando? Still at the car show today. Look at this Roadster. There's 7 buildings and each car is like off the charts. The detail, the shine. It's just remarkable. Just car after car. I'll get over and get that GTO. I know we got a lot of GTO fans. This is a Pomona Classic Car Show. There's 7 buildings and then there's more outside. And each one. I hope you guys are enjoying it. I don't know what I'm doing. There's a lot of YouTube people here, car people. Too bad we couldn't get Vice Grip Garage out here. His kids would go crazy. But everything's too shiny for him. Or Matt's Off-Road Recovery. You guys enjoy. Over and out.